Hi and welcome to MMBTechTv, where we like to help you find affordable products faster. So when it comes to audio products, there are a vast amount of different types available on the market at the moment, and in this episode we're looking at another competitor, the Vankyo Alpha X200 Earbuds. So for those of you that have seen the show before, you know that we've covered a lot of different types of true wireless earbuds. And when I got sent these through, I thought, you know what, let's give them the benefit of the doubt and give them a try. Now, as always, there'll be affiliate links in the description, so you can go and check them out when you have a chance. So let's jump in and take a little look. So as you can see by the packaging, here it is, the Vankyo branding Alpha X200 true wireless earbuds. Packaging wise, it's your bog standard shimmery parts on there, so you can see there's the picture of the front of the earbuds just there. As we turn your attention to the sides, nothing particularly special. On the back, of course, a brief overview of what you would expect from the earbuds themselves. So multifunctional, ease of use, enjoy yourself, and clear and stable. But of course, we'll go into some of those factors in just a second. And on the other side, I don't know if you can see it, but you've got these little icons just here, giving you a glimpse of what could be on offer with the earbuds themselves. So as you remove the sleeve, you're then greeted by just a plain white box and a bit of a shimmer smart headset. All right, not giving anything else away, but when you open up the box, this is when you're greeted by then all your normal items that you'd expect. So we'll come to, oh my word, we'll come to these in just a second. At the top, you've got a little pouch, a little box with some things hidden inside it. Let's have a look. So as you would expect, on the inside, you've got some interchangeable ear tips or ear buds, if that's what you want to call them, but you get them in there because, as we know, we're all completely different. As we open it up, you would get a tiny micro USB cable, really small. I don't mind a small micro USB cable, especially when it comes to other accessories. It saves you having a huge cable knocking around out of your pockets, all that kind of stuff. But if you do need a longer one, no doubt, we've all got them knocking around the house somewhere. And what else do we get inside the box? And then, of course, you get a USB converter, which I will come on to in a short while and tell you exactly what it does. So you get all of those in the box. And then what else do we expect? We've got some nice foam packaging, really ensures that it kept in place. And then, as you would expect, at the bottom you've got your paperwork there, which surprisingly it's all in English, and it's one of the most in-depth ones I've seen. Actually, it goes into some great detail. So instead of your normal bog standard, this is it, this is what it does, it actually goes into some real good detail. So maybe worth having a look into there. And then at the bottom of the box, refusing to come out, is a satisfaction or unsatisfied card, which of course then gives you all the information if you need to get in touch with their customer services department or you've got any issues, because you do get a 2-year warranty on the headphones themselves. So always something to bear in mind. But that's all the packaging, and that's all the little additional extras that you get with it. But we're not here to see packaging, we're here to see the earbuds themselves, which of course come right here. Now, the first thing you notice when you pick it up is the weight. It is a bit of a heft. They're not a weight of, if you have earbuds, for example, Apple's AirPods, and you went running with them, these would be jiggling around, jumping out your pockets. They're an absolute lump, which makes it feel more premium. Because as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear that, it's like this metal aluminium case, quite big as well, but that's for a reason, because inside here houses a 3,500 milliamp hour battery. Whopping, yes, I know, which gives you 7 hours of playback time, 5 hours of talk time, so altogether 120 hours of playtime with the charging case. And plus, if for whatever reason the charging case did go flat or your earbuds went flat, you can put them on a quick charge for about 10 minutes, and that gets you an hours playback time, which is just incredible. So as mentioned, it's that premium build, you know, aluminium and steel. And then looking around, so on the front here, let's kick it in so you can see it there. So on the front, you've got this is what I really like about it. So not only have you got a battery indicator for each earbud, so you know how much battery is in each one, but you get an overall percentage of how much battery is actually left in the device itself, which you don't get in a lot of them, which for me was already started ticking boxes. I love that element. Then as you come to the side, USB entry there for charging the case itself, but then you're left with nothing else really. They've tried to keep it really minimal. You've got the silver band on the top and then the branding on the top of there as well. Now, I did mention earlier there was an adapter that you got with these themselves. And that is for a special reason, because what you can do is when you open it up, and let's get the adapter out, not only can you use these to charge the earbuds themselves, but you can also use this as a power bank. So what you would do is put the USB converter in there, your charger goes on top in there, so that can be any USB charger, then you can use that to charge any sort of other devices that you may have, whether that be your smartphone or another device that needs to be powered by USB, which is a great addition. Especially 3,500 milliamp hour battery is a phenomenal sort of benefit that you would get with something like this. So with that aside, you can see all of the outside already starting to pack in some really good features, but as you open it up, you are then presented with the earbuds themselves. So again, opens up really nice. It's got like a loose hinge at the back there. Don't know why that is. Could be a design thing maybe, but that's the way it opens up. And then of course you've got your little LED indicators just on the top there, showing you when they're going to be paired and all that kind of stuff. So let's take a look at the buds themselves nice and close up. So here they both are. Looking, I mean, to be fair, they're nice and light, they look the part as well. They're not too heavy and not too clunky, which is something you can get. Some ones that are massive and bulky in your ears and really uncomfortable, but these don't appear to come off like that already. So taking you around them slowly, so you've got of course your 3 pins there just on the top for charging. Of course it connects into the case. You've got your tips just there, which these tips, again, you saw it earlier, interchangeable. Because everyone's ears are completely different, so I've had to change these from the ones that came installed on it already. Turning it over, you've got your touch sensitive panels on there as well, which come with a few commands, which is great. So you can do all the usual ones from play and pause, but then you can touch and hold your right ear and it'll turn the volume up. Press and hold on your left ear, the volume will go down, and it's got a bunch of other features. So instead of like the other ones where you physically have to push it straight into your ear, you know, and you're shoving it right in your ear, these are just a simple tap like they are on Galaxy Buds, that kind of vibe, just a tap, and that is all it needs. So with these you get a 3.5mm driver, the bass and the mid and the treble. From the testing I've done over the course of the week, for me personally, it's a really good sound. From all of the other kind of Buds and TWS kind of products that we get on the show, these were the first ones that I put in my ears and was like genuinely, whoa, these are actually really good. The bass is there, I love the mid. It's, for me personally, overall, it's a great sound, and it comes from these two little beauties right here. I mean, they look incredible, they sound incredible, and they fit, let's get them the right way around, and they fit straight into your ears. There's no messing around, there's no jamming it in there, forcing it in. They just fit really, really comfortably. So you can see they're both in there, not going anywhere at all. And even if we do the shake test, they're not for budging at all. They are staying in there, which is what you want, especially if you're training, you're running, cycling, anything like that. That is what you want from a set of earbuds like this. But of course, they are earbuds, they've got microphones on them as well, and you can use these to make calls as well. So the next clip you're going to see is the audio quality. What you would hear is if I am going to be making a phone call or a FaceTime call from these themselves. So these are unedited, straight from the earbuds. Let me know, what do you think of the call quality of these? Take a look.
So this is our sound quality test. So this is the kind of audio quality you would expect to hear if you was making a phone call from these themselves. So overall, not too bad, but the question is, what do you make of it? Could you put up with them during a phone call? Let us know in the comments below.
So as you heard, the sound isn't too bad. It's passable for making those kind of calls. Bearing in mind, you're not using these to record anything professional. They're just there to get the job done. In my opinion, that's exactly what they do. They get the job done, which is what it's all about. Now, another plus benefit of these is that they are sound cancelling because of how well they fit within your ears. They fit comfortably, so you know they're gonna, once you've got them in, they literally cancel out any sort of surrounding sound, which is great for when you want to immerse yourself into that favourite track, into your favourite podcast, or if you're just watching a film. Now, as well as them being sound cancelling, sound leakage sometimes can be an issue when it comes to earbuds. There's nothing worse as a passenger hearing the person next to you, hearing their music and their content and what they're listening to. So with these, there is no sound leakage because of how tight that seal is within your ears. So once you've got them in, I mean, I've had them in, I've been watching content on them, and I've had my partner with me who she's not been able to hear anything, and she's been talking to me and I've not been able to hear her. So there's been, they just fit perfectly, really comfortable. And again, once you have them in, they don't come out, they are in there. So you know you're getting a great quality sound cancelling, but without the leakage as well. Now, about the headphones, they are Bluetooth 5.0 and pairing is really, really simple to do. And this is, again, it works on all devices from iOS, Android, PC, Mac, Windows. It covers the whole basis, right? And this is just literally how simple it is to do. It pops up instantly at the bottom there, Alpha X200, connect. And there you are, connected. The volume buttons come up at the side there. Let's close them out. Disappeared. That's how quick it is to set up, and it's the same across all of those other devices. You know, you literally pop them up, it'll connect, instantly connect, bang. It's took all of about 5 seconds from opening the case to connecting it to my device, which is what you want from a set of headphones. You want to be able to open them up and connect instantly without no sort of messing around, which is always good. So as mentioned earlier, I said that they were perfect for being used in certain environments, like going to the gym and stuff, because they are IPX8 rated, so they are perfect for going to the gym. If you're running outside, you're sweating in them, or if there's a slight bit of rain outside, then they're absolutely perfect for it. So I don't know about you, so far they are ticking loads and loads of boxes, but let's check out how they actually sound. So let's go onto YouTube, for example. Let's open the cases up. That's going to connect onto it now. Let's have a look. That should, all being well, connect. There we go, they're connected. So let's put them in and let's listen to a track and just see how easy it can be. So let's tap on there. And it's got some, look, that bass that comes through is incredible. You can just hear it. There's a nice mix of stuff. It's really hard to explain when you're not here with me. The sound quality is incredible, and it's just that I'm blown away in comparison to some of the other ones that we've had on the show before. It's just, there's a really nice eclectic mix. They don't sound cheap. They don't sound like these $20 ones that you can pick up anywhere and you just hope they sound all right. The sound quality on them, for me, is absolutely brilliant. So for me, they are a go-to. They have everything that I would need. They connect really quickly. The the power on it is incredible. That 3,500 milliamp hour battery is immense, and they just absolutely look the part as well. And you get all of these features for just £45 or just over 55 US dollars. So a bunch of features for a great price. But overall, what do I think? If you're looking for a set of earbuds that look great, have a premium build, and most importantly, sound great, then these might actually be the ones for you. With the incredible battery life, being able to use the power bank to charge any additional devices, it gets pretty loud too as well, so generally I'm really impressed with it. But the only thing that does bug me, now it's only a tiny thing, but it's the audio lag when watching films or any other sort of video when using the earbuds. But I really had to find it and really zone into it to actually find it. So overall, a great set of buds that feel comfortable in the ears and at an affordable price too. Now, as mentioned earlier, you can pick yours up from Amazon for just over £45 or $55, and there is a link in the description which you can take a look at when you have a minute, so go and have a look. Now, and if you want to check out more videos, read our blogs or get in touch, you can always head over to the website. It's www.MMBTechTv.co.uk, so go and check it out. But thank you very much for checking out the video, and until next time, it's bye-bye for now.